You were not even hungry. You opened a cupboard, saw something sweet, and suddenly you are negotiating with yourself like a lawyer. That is not weak willpower. That is a reward system built for scarcity, crashing into a world of unlimited cookies. Now, sugar is in bread, sauce, yogurt, and everything you did not expect. Then, sweet taste usually meant ripe fruit, honey if you were lucky, or quick energy that could save you, rare enough to chase. Sweet taste is a shortcut signal, quick calories, low poison risk compared to bitter unknown plants. Foragers who leaned towards sweet when food was uncertain had an edge, more energy, fewer bad experiments. When you find a big calorie hit, dopamine tags the moment. Remember this, come back here, repeat. That learning loop made sense when dessert was a berry patch twice a year, not a vending machine on every floor. Modern junk food combines sugar and fat in ratios nature barely produced together. Ice cream, donuts, chocolate. Your brain reads that combo like a super stimulus. Maximum reward signal for minimum foraging effort. Fast sugar spikes blood glucose, insulin response, and the crash can feel like an emergency, shaky, irritable, craving more. Your ancient brain interprets that crash as maybe I am starving again, not as I just ate a pastry. Stress hormones push you toward quick energy. Sugar is the fastest legal hit your desk job can offer. So a hard day plus a cookie tray is not random weakness. It is ancient eat now wiring meeting modern inbox panic. Celebrations, comfort, rewards for kids, break room donuts. Culture trained sugar onto every emotional button. Evolution gave you the craving. Industry just learned where the button lives. Here is the twist. Craving sugar is not a character flaw. It is a successful scavenger program running in a warehouse full of jackpots that never run out. No ancient human needed to ignore dessert at 11 p.m. while watching a screen. Knowing why you crave does not erase craving, but it can swap shame for strategy. Protein first, sleep, stress, less random exposure. Recap. Sweet mints safe quick energy. Dopamine tags rare wins. Modern combos super stimulate. Crashes feel like emergencies. Stress and culture pile on. You are not broken, the pantry is. More everyday urges explained on Visual Explainer Network. Next, why gossip feels delicious even when you know you should not.